Good roads have always been among greatest gifts to humanity, creating a background to events, providing direction, of course, and creating perspectives. Roads preserve our collective memory and trigger desire for deep thinking and curiosity for more knowledge. Books challenge human thoughts to generate ideas and give links across diverse cultures, generations, and lines of thought. These books I am presenting to the public today shall form a remarkable legacy of knowledge and inspire to younger generations who strive to live their lives in such a way to attain giant strive to be known. Identified and listed among essential human facts as the footprints on the sand of death, just like our aerospace. For the records of our economy, there's also the national galaxy of the progenitors of our life, and sophistication in the tradition chieftaincy, anarchy on the foundation of fathers of our Ibadan Feast Agelu, Akatamega, to Ogenilo, to Ibikuli, Ibawiyoli, Arimakosa, Ebutisha Nura, to the era of Sanusi and Edisi Hiko, Salami Agbadi, and those who lived during their era, reading through their stories, inspires and supports the younger generation of Ibadan. Part of dignity, gallantry, and bravery of their communities. But only narrates the ingenuity of the independence of the academics, creating a unique and enviable traditional political system, which started as a political, economic, and civilization headquarters of Western Nigeria. Reading through the books respond the consciousness of the capital Ibadan of the current generation, their life effort and face passing passed down by his progenitor to describe not to lower the standards of living of the Ibadan community. The giant strength of people actually a local gathering of myself was like the true of my life, an ancestral history. People I have encountered and immersed, I have involved with, and no further highlights from the Ibadan and celebrate their gallantry, patriotism, and dedication they bring. This is the story of myself. The premier theme of Ibadan, Agbeni is not a matter of people, but the name of sorry. But he is a warrior and an infant priest. While the two books of all lovers of knowledge, Ibadan enthusiastic, and more importantly, emerging leaders of Ibadan, I appreciate very sincerely the leadership of the state. Provided editorial assistance to make the books a reality. I thank you. To the literacy for people to attend this occasion and for your support for not this event but every traditional event. It's a very legacy of Rashid Adewale after all. It's also appreciated for his leadership and dedication towards uplifting of our traditional system. Finally, to everyone that took time out of their basic schedule to witness the launching and public presentation of the hegemony and advancement, the government will serve and grant you success in all your innovations. Thank you all for welcome.
Àtẹwọ́ yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i, ẹ bá fi kábíyèsí o, Your Excellency.